What do you say? What are you talking about? Can you come back? What you say? What you say? What you say? What you mean? What you mean? So hizi hapa ni expressions ambazo tunaweza tukatumia kipindi maybe unaongea na mtu kwenye lugha ya Kiingereza, so imetokea ghafla suddenly au muelewi kitu gani anachomaanisha, unahitaji arudilie yule msemo ambao ameutumia. Hizi hapa ni expressions ambazo tunaweza tukatumia kwa kujua ama kumuulizia mtu kitu gani alikuwa anamaanisha. Expression ya kwanza, we say please, what do you say? Please, what do you say? Tukalili kwamba ama tuelewe kwamba hizi expressions hapa zote unaweza kuzitumia ukijisikia. Yote ambayo utajisikia kutumia tu ni wewe, but zote zinachangia nini? Zinachangia maana, pronunciation ndio tofauti. We say please, what do you say? Please, what do you say? Yani please unaongea nini? Samani unaongea nini? Please, what do you say? Please, what you say? Please, what you say? Please, what do you say? Please, what you say? We have also, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? We say, what are you talking? What are you talking? What are you talking? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? In America, you can find someone talking, what are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? Yeah, something like that. What are you talking about? Yani unazungumzia kuhusu nini? That you say, what are you talking about? Or what are you talking about? What are you talking about? We say also, can you come back? Can you come back? Yeah, can you come back? Can you come back? Or can you come back? Can you come back? Hey, sorry, bro. Can you come back? Can you come back? Can you come back? Or can you come back? Yeah, something like that. We have also, what you say? What you say? What you say? What you say? Yeah, what you say? 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 We have also, what you mean? 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 Or what you mean? What you mean? Something like that. So hizi zote expressions hapa zinamaanisha unamaanisha nini. Ya kwanza tumesema please, what do you say? Unazungumzia nini? What are you talking about? Unaongelea nini? Can you come back? Unaweza kurudia ulichosema. What you say, unaongea nini? What you mean, unamaanisha nini? Tukichunguza hizo zote misemo hapo zinachangia nini? Zinachangia maana. I think by there just understand. Mr. John Mary, and I need to subscribe for getting more videos. Thank you. You are welcome back.